If you're illegally fox hunting, then you're correct. It's a threat against illegal fox hunting.
Hello.
Hello. On the orange road by the school.
Copy that, Scoury and Ferryman and all that.
What fucking terrier? Hey, you can't even lie. What's your fucking face, you fucking dog? Fucking terriers.
Fucking terriers,
Full of shit.
cunt.
Full of shit.
You're a fucking idiot. The trail goes that way. You're a fucking idiot. Fuck off me. Get the fuck off me. Nearest road is that way. Go. As Gary knows as he's heading back to. Make you think you're big on camera.
Come on, then go straight down there in front of us then. Fucking terriers, you fucking numpskull.
Where's the fucking terrier?
You can't lie, so you can't even lie what's in front of you.
Terrier.
Go on, tell him on the fucking radio it's not a terrier.
It's a bird.
Go on, do it now.
Fucking terriers.
I don't need to do what you said. I literally said before and come on the corner.
Fucking thing,
You said fucking.
Are you drunk? Are you drunk? Are you drunk?
Today you're a bird man, another day you're a terrier. Rather not, mate.
Like a breathalyzer.
Why are you riding your horse
We've
at
already got
me?
your breath. We don't need more.
Yeah,
All I smell is your fucking armpit, you dirty cunt.
Yeah, I've been running. Try it.
Got him. Yep.
We don't have any problem. We're walking along in the countryside while this weirdo comes right up my arse.
I like your ass.
I bet you do, mate.
I would touch it, but you'd get me in trouble.
Yeah, so they're kind of angling still in the direction of their end, gradually heading in the direction of school. We got their bird man who's angry. You don't call him a terrier man, he has a little cry. He's a bird man, so not today.
Not today, eh? Not today.
If a hunt uses terrier, we'll say it. If they use a bird of prey as disguise, we'll use